Hello out there, my name is Caitt and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a short hair half up hack that will take your hair from nothing to something, because I did the transition at the wrong time. I'm also going to be showing you a tutorial of how I do my half up hairstyle and then showing you a hack to make the up part appear longer. So of course you're going to start out by combing your hair to get any knots out and make it as easy as possible to work with, and begin to comb your hair straight backwards so it's easier to work into the ponytail. Now here's how I do my half up. You can't really see it here, but I take my fingers right behind my ears and draw a line basically straight up, but a little diagonal, as you can see in this video. And I make sure that that is a part line, so you might have to pick up some hair to make that line straighter and to make sure that you have all of the hair in that section. And of course, combing through that section that you just pulled up to make sure that it lays flat and smooth. So alive, make it last forever. Then you take your ponytail of choice. I usually choose a scrunchie, but you can use a clear elastic or really any hair tie that you like. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. And again, to make sure that there aren't any rogue hairs in that ponytail, I like to comb my hair again. Now as you can see, the up part is pretty long. It's almost to the length of the down part, but I am going to show you a hack to make the up part look even longer and even with the down part. Flip over that ponytail, and I'm going to take a section right below where that ponytail, like where that part is that you created. And you're not going to take a lot of hair. Like this section that I pulled to begin with is too much hair. I'm going to use just like half of that. You're not going to want to use too much, or the hair that's left down is going to be less than the hair that's up. Then you're going to take a clear elastic, and you're going to want this one to be a clear elastic so that you can hide it. Then combing my hair once again to get rid of any rogue hairs that made it into that ponytail. Open eye. Then I'm going to take another clear elastic and tie it once again. Hypnotized by the sounds and once again, I'm going to take a third clear elastic and tie it again. I just bought these really cheap clear elastics and they break so easily, so I'm adding as much reinforcement as I can. All because of you. And then combing my hair once again, making sure that no rogue hairs got into that ponytail. Paint the skies. Now this is the reason why I comb my hair, because those rogue hairs can get tangled in the clear elastic and hurt. That was the face of someone who just broke their hair in half because they were trying to undo a knot. So definitely keep combing your hair and make sure that no rogue hairs got in there. Now if you turn to the side, you can kind of see that elastic there. So if that top ponytail moves, the illusion of longer hair is going to be ruined. So what you're going to do is take a teasing brush, or you could also use a teasing comb, and you're going to tease that top section. And you're going to move from back to front. So take a section of the back and tease it, separate that section off, and then go up a layer and tease that. And then I also like to tease the sides of my hair. Also, I would like to note, to tease your hair without getting any knots in it, you're going to take the comb or the brush and go up your hair and then take the brush away. and then go back in. Because if you just keep going up and down on the hair, you're going to rat it, and that is where you get knots. And now, as you can see, that top ponytail is much fuller, and it will hide the bottom ponytail a lot easier. And now you can style however you want. I have some natural waves or curls in my hair, so I'm going to use the Diva Curl Curl Maker and scrunch that up in my hair to give more definition to the curls and the waves that I already have. But you can choose to style this any way you like, whether you want to straighten it or curl it or add some waves. But I will say curling is probably the best option, because if you straighten your hair, it's more likely that you will see the layer effect that you have going on. So curls would be the best way to hide this illusion. By the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight. And just 1 second, I will be right back. This product is kind of oily, so I do have to wash my hands. This is me opening the door with my wrists because I can't touch the doorknob or it'll get all oily. And we're back and ready for hairspray. I'm going to be using the Suave Max Hold hairspray and just spraying that on the ponytail. And just one more failed transition because I didn't do a transition into this. This is the finished look, and as you can see, that up part looks a lot longer, so this illusion is a success. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe to be notified whenever I upload, and I will see you in 2 weeks with another new video. Bye. But psych, not bye, because here are some failed, very failed attempts at trying this transition. Enjoy. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the sky.